Okay, here we are with the next update of where we are at on this motor. So as you can see, I have removed the intake. Quite a challenge to remove all those connections, but as you can see, it's removed. The turbo is also removed. The downpipe is also removed back down there, and the inlet pipe from the exhaust is also removed. The entire exhaust manifold on the front is also removed down below. There are no more connections on either side of this engine, so this thing is pretty much ready to move. One thing I've discovered, this power steering pump is leaking quite profusely somewhere, so I'm going to replace that. Now this will just sit over on this side, and the AC pump will do the same. Actually, I'll hang it up with a hanger up at the top there. This AC pump will actually just live over here. So now all we can do is I will remove the starter, which is here, remove some belts, remove this is called a dog bone or something like that. Once that's removed, this engine is ready to come out. So yeah, then we'll start taking off the heads, which is on this side and that side, and go from there. So that's where we're at. So lots of hoses to look at here, lots of inlet, lots of things to do, but been able to take this off. Sorry I'm taking so long to update this video. The snow in Calgary has been nothing short of amazingly bad. And it's a bit of a record snowfall here in Calgary. But anyway, you can see some of the things on here. So we will hopefully remove this motor this Saturday. A few things I need to do. I want to kind of get some new hoses here. Some of these are in kind of rough shape. Some of them are in pretty good shape. But neither here nor there. I have to replace some of these things anyway, some of these hoses. So that's okay. Yeah, so making progress, and we'll go from there. Things like this, I don't know if you can feel that or hear it. This is a rubber hose. This is a good example of a hose that has to be replaced because it's so hard. This one's not too bad, but this one is literally brittle. So this hose and a few other ones. The inlet hose for the oil and the downpipe exhaust, this has to be changed as well. So that's not really such a big deal, but that's something else that we're going to do. So that's it. So making lots of good progress. And next update, we'll have the motor hopefully out of the car. So that's it for me, and I'll update you later. Talk to you later.